Hi, I'm Anjali, and one of my friends who is sitting before me, she is Sonam. So now we are given a golden opportunity to debate with each other the topic which is online and offline. So first, Sonam, I want to take your views. So what's your views?
So what I tell about online. I like online classes. So I speak about online classes. Very popular classes in this time. Online very popular, and the students take help to online classes in rural areas. Not education is available. Very good education is available. So they take online classes and they grow themselves. I think online classes very good for us.
But if I talk about in offline education, then there will be also provided good education in offline classes, and the teacher of offline classes they also teach in a proper way. And if you talk about in online, then we can't be frank and we can't compete with each other. But in offline classes, everything we can do, and we can show our confidence and in offline classes. But it's not such type things not provided in the online class. So I think
How you can say that it's not provides in online education? I think everything is provides in online education. In online education, we can frank teacher talking with teacher. We can talk, and we know that in a smartphone we get information. In online popular teacher is available, not. And in offline education, teacher we don't check our teacher what here. But in our online education, very popular teacher have knowledge then teach us. And online platform is very biggest platform for teaching. So I think in offline education, teacher is not very educated, and in offline we can't check our teacher what he have. But in online we can ask everything from our teacher, and popular teacher is available. In offline it's not have.
so. If you have told that means popular teacher are not available in the offline class, then it's not necessary the popular teacher only present in the online class. So I have been experienced that. So teacher who teaches in a proper way, that is also which is also present in the offline classes. And the offline classes we know that how we should manage, and in which field we should go. And when we study in online classes, that time we distract a lot. And if you talk about the environment of offline classes, there will be no distraction. And in offline class, so many distraction comes when we study, and we distract very soon.
How you can say that in online education we distract a lot. I have experience of offline class. Offline class we distract a lot from boys in something else. In offline classes, so many classes available in very distance. We especially for girls. We are girls. We belong in village. We are not given opportunity to go outside for the purpose of study. When those person middle, they have not lot of money to go outside for Delhi study for in Delhi, in a Kota, and anywhere. If they have a smartphone, they can take the class and they can study in Delhi teacher, in Kota teacher. That's why I think online education is very good. And due to online classes, one of my student who sold the cover of a smartphone, and they cracked the examination of NEET due to online classes. So I think online classes very due to COVID-19, so many students grow themselves. How in due to COVID-19, offline classes is not available, but they take help in online education. They grow themselves and they make their career due to online classes. I think online class is better than offline classes.
So as we know that so many students they belongs to village, and their parents are not educated. And when they are given opportunity to get a smartphone, they are started to getting other advantages, and they distract very soon, and they don't focus on their study. Their parents also don't see what they are doing and what they are studying or not. So it's totally wrong that if they are given good environment, and if they are given something opportunity, then they are started to making their parents fool, and their parents also don't consider what they are doing. So it should be not happen.
We can make fool our parents, not others. If we take bad step, whatever, it depends of students how they have quality, what they think about their career. If I am a student, I want to take online classes. So what if I have a smartphone, then what I will, it depends on me. No, what my parents give me a smartphone for the purpose of study, what I will, it depends on me. So it's responsible of a student, not my parent, not parents. And so I think it's those students have no lot of mind, those person have no lot of things, those person not want to make career in future, they can do such type. I think those person getting their responsibility, I can make my career in different way, that they can't do such type.
But if we talk about performance, then we can only show our performance in the offline classes. If we will study in online classes, then no one will see us what we are doing and what we have. But if you talk about in offline classes, when we are study, then also others will see us, and when we will study in a proper way, then also so many people started to appreciating us, and they will told our parents, then we can get a lot of opportunity. But in online, we have no such type things by which we can show our performance in the online classes.
So you told that we get opportunity when someone speaks when someone see our performance, then speak our, then we get opportunity. This time who wants he grow? Nobody wants. Only our parents want. My children can do something, but my children can grow. So you told that we get support, opportunity too. So I think when we don't want, I think what is the benefits of seeing our performance in online classes? We only one time, if we do hard work, then we get result only one time. Not if those person have a skill, they can see every time, everything. What is the benefits? Nothing.
So if you talk about our students, when they study in online classes, then they are binded with a room, and they don't go out of their room. They only live in their room, and they started to make their life. They consider that this is my own. But if you talk about offline classes, then when they go for the purpose of a study, then they learn a lot of things from natures. And it is said that the best process of learning, that is visiting, and when we visit, that time we learn everything. So I think
I know visiting is the best process of learning, but we are girls not given in opportunity to visit others. When we are belong in rural area, it's happen urban area. Girls go anywhere, girls given opportunity, but in rural area it's not happen. Girls don't go outside for the purpose of visiting, and visiting is matter a lot for the purpose of a study. Girls don't go. I know visiting is the best process of learning, so I think no, but it's not happen with girls.
But I also experienced that so many girls who belongs to village, they have no opportunity to take a smartphone special. They have no opportunity to take a special smartphone. So I think when they are given a special smartphone, then they don't use from that. They are started to doing other things. So
It depends of a student. It depends of parents. In the people of village, they don't educated a lot. So parents give us smart for the purpose of study. What we do, what my life, what I will do in future. It's my career. It's my life, my choice. It's one. So parents give us smart for their study, and I don't study. So whatever I do, it's lose my जो मेरा जर्नी उसको मैं ख़राब कर सकती हूँ. द कंडीशन ऑफ what is the education of Bihar. So we depends on governments. The teacher of governments, they don't educated, but they not very good education is provided. So I think we depends online education. We take online education in governments. We are given free of cost a study, but we have no interest to study in governments, because the teacher of government, they don't study in a properly way. They don't study. They don't teach us in a proper way. For they don't go the children. So children have no interest to go on government or school. Children don't go to in. So I think due to condition of government, they take online classes. So I think online classes better than offline classes. Due to online classes, children grow in especially village, the student of village, they also grow due to online. So I think online class is better so that.
So thanks, Sonam. So I'm agree with you. Whatever you have told, that is right. I think that is right. So we know that in a proper way that what is the condition of our government, especially for education, that is not hidden. And to get your views, I think it is online classes is good. So that's all.